Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 C300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite Gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB Tex interior with a dark brown linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, spoiler, C300 4MATIC badging, a clean set of regular and all-season floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, and the LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation with voice command, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 29,357 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.